Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the baby TikTok trend, which is a trend I really like and is also becoming really popular. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is step to the right with our right leg, and with our hands we're going to do like this wave. So we're going to go 1, and then to the other side, 2. So 1, 2, and then we're going to roll our arms, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2. So once again from the beginning, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to swing 4 times, just to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right, and our hands are just going to go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. That's it. So now what we're going to do is we have 2 options. Our hands can be over here or over here, however you want. So with our right hand, we're going to put it over here or over here. We're going to go 1, 2. So you're just going to it's going to slide through our shoulders, and we're just going to flick our hand like that. Or like this, 1 and a flick, just like that. And then to the other side, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. So let's go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for this part of the dance, our hands are going to be in fists, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So basically our hands go to the sides, then we're going to cross them, and they go to the side again. So 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we're going to do like this circle with our hand, and we're going to clap. So once again, 1, 2, 3, circle, clap. Once again, 1, 2, 3, circle, clap. Okay, that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to do it slow, then we're going to do it fast, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and circle, clap. Okay, and now the same thing, but faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, circle, clap. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Yeah.